Hello, dear students. How are you two all? I hope all of you feel good. Students, in this video, we will discuss about chapter number 6. And the chapter number 6 is India Wins Freedom. The INC had achieved limited success during the early years of its freedom movement. The early leaders of INC were known as moderate, as they believed in pleading with the English government for reforms. Another group of leaders within the INC was formed who wanted to strongly oppose the English government. They were called the radicals. That means there are two types of group in INC, Indian National Congress. First one is moderate group, another one is radical group. In radical group, they wanted to strongly oppose the British people. They were called radicals group. They were in favor of organizing strikes and boycotts. The Lala Lajpat Roy, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal, popular as Lal Bal Pal, were the three popular radical leaders in radical group. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. It is a popular slogan by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Let us talk about partition of Bengal. In 1905, the English wanted to make partition of Bengal with one part having large Hindu population and other part with Muslim population. In 1905, the British people wanted to make partition of Bengal with one part having large Hindu population and another one is Muslim population. The British wanted to make partition of Bengal to divide the Hindus and Muslims from unitedly fighting against the British. British people wanted to partition of Bengal because of divide the Muslim and Hindus unity. People strongly opposed the partition of Bengal and it led to the launch of Swadeshi movements and boycott movement. Let us talk about Swadeshi movement and boycott movement. Boycott means refuse the deal or buy and refuse the deal. The meaning of Swadeshi is of one's own country. People were forced to boycott all the foreign goods and we have to use only the goods made in India. Swadeshi movement was started to popularize the use of Indian made goods and so that Indian industries could prosper. Swadeshi movement was started and it is to popularize the use of Indian made goods. Indian made goods, India का बना हुआ माल भी use करें so that Indian industries could prosper. Foreign goods were banned. Large number of women and students took part in Swadeshi and boycott movement. Foreign goods were banned. जो बाहर का विदेशी माल था वो सब जला दिया and large number of women and students took part in Swadeshi and boycott movement. एक बहुत बड़े लार्ज नंबर ऑफ वुमेन, बहुत सारी औरतें, स्टूडेंट्स और सभी ने बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लिया स्वदेशी मूवमेंट में. द The movement were started in Bengal and spread across the country. The British government tried to suppress the movement. ये मूवमेंट बंगाल से स्टार्ट हुआ और पूरी कंट्री में स्प्रेड हो गया. Thus, British government tried to suppress the movement. ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने ट्राई किया कि ये मूवमेंट सप्रेस हो जाए, दबा दिया जाए. द रेवोल्यूशनरीज, लेट अस टॉक अबाउट दैट. यंग पीपल ऑफ बंगाल, पंजाब एंड महाराष्ट्र both thought that the moderates and radicals could not achieve in driving out of the people from India. They wanted to drive the British from India by forceful method and they called themselves as revolutionaries. Arvindo Ghosh, Ajit Singh, Khudiram Bose and Veer Savarkar were few of the early revolutionaries. They killed some British officers also. Arvindo Ghosh, Ajit Singh, Khudiram Bose, Veer Savarkar, they were few of the early revolutionary. ये कुछ क्रांतिकारियों के नाम है और इन्होंने कुछ ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स को भी मारा है. Later some of them were arrested and were hanged by the British government. Gandhiji leads the nation. Let us talk about that. In 1915, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi returned to India from South Africa. In South Africa, he had protested against the regime of white ruler. Gandhiji protest was based on truth and non-violence. गांधी जी का जो विद्रोह था, जो प्रोटेस्ट किया था इन्होंने, सत्य और अहिंसा पर बेस्ड है. His way of protest was known as सत्याग्रह and the way of protest is known as सत्याग्रह. After returning to India, Gandhiji traveled all over the country to understand the conditions of the people in India. After returning to India, Gandhiji traveled all over the country to understand the condition of people in India. Gandhiji was shocked to see the poverty of people. He decided to fight not only against the British but also against the prevailing social conditions, especially the caste system in India. Let us talk about Jallianwala Bagh massacre. 10th April 1919, two national leaders were arrested in Punjab. 10 अप्रैल 1919 को दो नेशनल लीडर अरेस्ट हुए थे पंजाब में. On 13 April 1919, a public meeting was held at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. 13 अप्रैल 1919 में एक पब्लिक मीटिंग ऑर्गेनाइज की गई जालियांवाला बाग में, अमृतसर में, एज अ प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट द अरेस्ट ऑफ द लीडर. जो लीडर्स को, जो नेशनल लीडर्स को 10 अप्रैल 1919 को गिरफ्तार किया गया था, उस विषय में मीटिंग ऑर्गेनाइज की गई. जनरल डायर ऑर्डर्ड द सोल्जर ऑफ ब्रिटिश इंडियन आर्मी टू फायर राइफल इनटू द क्राउड ऑफ अनआर्म्ड सिविलियंस. वहां जो क्राउड, भीड़ इकट्ठी हुई थी मीटिंग के लिए, जनरल डायर ने ऑर्डर किया अपने सोल्जर्स पे कि गोलियां बरसा दो. Hundreds of men, women and children were killed and thousands were injured. हजारों लोग, आदमी, औरत, बच्चे मारे गए. The whole country was shocked by the incident and there was whispered of protest all over. All the national leaders strongly protest against the cruel act of the British general. All the national leaders, सारे नेशनल लीडर्स ने स्ट्रांगली प्रोटेस्ट किया इस क्रूअल एक्ट के लिए. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट. इन 1920 गांधी जी स्टार्टेड द नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट. 1920 में गांधी जी ने नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया. ही टोल्ड द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया टू डिसओबे द लॉज इन अ पीसफुली वे. इंडिया के लोगों से गांधी जी ने कहा टू ओबे द लॉज इन अ पीसफुली वे, जो ब्रिटिश पीपल के लॉज हैं उसे डिसोबे करो, मत मानो, पीसफुली अंदाज में, शांतिपूर्वक। बट इन चौरी चौरा उत्तर प्रदेश, फ्यू पीपल सेट फायर टू अ पुलिस स्टेशन and 22 policemen died in the incident। मगर उस समय चौरी चौरा, उत्तर प्रदेश में एक जगह है चौरी चौरा, few people set fire to a police station, पुलिस स्टेशन में कुछ लोगों ने आग लगा दी, and 22 policemen died in this incident, और 22 पुलिस वाले इस आग में जलकर मर गए। गांधी जी वॉज अगेंस्ट वायलेंस, गांधी जी अहिंसावादी थे, वायलेंस के खिलाफ थे। गांधी जी वॉज अगेंस्ट वायलेंस, वो हिंसा के खिलाफ थे। सो ही विड्रॉ द मूवमेंट, और उन्होंने ये मूवमेंट विड्रॉ कर लिया कि अब मुझे ये मूवमेंट लड़ना ही नहीं है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वीडियो इट इज इनफ टू यू। मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो बेटा।